Good morning. These are the beautiful views I'm seeing today, this morning. This is 4:30 UK time, and what I would like to talk to you quickly about is that this place, look, this is the sunrise today. Little bit cloudy, but it's beautiful, and I am just about walking towards this lake because look at the view I've got here behind. If you look at the first floor on the right hand side, that's where we are staying. Look at the site of this place. And Dolphin seminars together with Pain Point coach is organizing trips to this beautiful place for coaching, mentoring, and also together with another friend we will be organizing trips here for alternative, relaxing exercise, meditation, yoga, qigong, and other things. Here in this resort, you've got food, which is dietary food, which helps you to release any toxins from your body, from your mind, and in such a surroundings you can do anything, and when you return to your business you will be totally changed person. So enjoy these views because they are so amazing. Every single time I come to this place I find new things added, and this time there is very large choice of variety of sculptures, different arts. Look, this is the traditional sort of costumes from this area. They have, as you can see, water bikes, they have kayaks, and the view is just amazing. You can spend here full day enjoying the water, enjoying brilliant food. The resort has spa facilities, beautician, so gym, cycles, Nordic walking. You can absolutely enjoy everything without leaving this place for at least 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoy this view together with me. Look, the sun is rising higher and higher. Enjoy. Thank you.